Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new web page to your existing website for a new course and how you can set up a new folder in Google Drive to go with that web page. So first you need to log into your Google account, maybe to your Gmail, and then go to the top right, open the waffle. You need to open Google Drive. You also need to open Google Site. So first I'm going to take you into Google Drive. We're going to create a new folder. Let's call this, new Sem 2 class. You may also want to create a few folders within this course folder for the different chapters and so on. Okay, so go back to your Google Drive. So here is your new Sem 2 class folder. We're going to change the sharing setting. So right click, select share, turn on the get shareable link, and then open up anyone can view here, go to more, set this to anyone with the link can view. So no sign in will be required. Save and done. So once you have finished this step, you should see a little man appear on your folder icon. And then now we are going to go to Google Site. So open the website that you have. And then on the top right, we're going to click on this button that says Create Page. Looks like a page with a plus sign. You're going to name this page. So I'm going to just go with the same name as the one in the folder. I think it's called New Sem 2 Class, something like that. You don't need to change any of these settings to keep it simple. And here is your new web page. So you can continue to edit. Most of you like the announcement section. And then maybe go down, just create a few spaces. And then here you can insert that Google Drive folder that you have just created. So go to Insert on the top left, hover over Drive, go to Folder, and then it will open up this window that shows you many folders in your Google Drive. So this is the new folder that contains all the different chapters. So we're just going to click on it once and then select. You can change the title here. It doesn't affect anything in your drive. Or if you don't want your Google Drive or page to show this folder name, you can just uncheck this box and save. So the Drive folder has been inserted. Go to the top right, save this page. There are 2 to 3 things that you may also want to consider when you set up a new page in your website. First, you probably don't want anybody to add files or comments to this web page. So if you go to the very top where the gear is, it says More Actions, open it up and select Page Settings. Under Page Settings, you can uncheck the boxes that says Allow Attachments and Allow Comments. You can add page descriptions if you like. For those of you who have a navigation bar on the side, you may want to check on this Show this page in the sidebar box and save. Okay, so now you should be able to see this funny name, New Sem 2 Class, has been added to the navigation. And you may be wondering, well, I don't like where this is placed. I want it to appear at the top or near the top of this navigation bar. So what can I do? Well, you can go back to the gear on the top right. This time, you have to go to Edit Site Layout. And once you are in, you will see some black bars here. So just click on the navigation menu, highlight your new web page. If you want to place it closer to the top, just use the up arrow on the right to move it up. If there is an old course page that you no longer want to include in this navigation bar, you can highlight it and delete it. Now, deleting it here doesn't mean you have deleted the page entirely. The page still remains in your site, but it won't be showing up on the navigation bar. Okay, so click OK and then go up to the right, close. So you can see that your new SAM2 class web page is appearing at the top of all the other pages that you have. The MFM 1P web page is no longer here. But if I go to the sitemap, just want to show you, the MFM 2D1 course is not in green, it's in gray now. It's actually still there. Okay, if I click on this, it still opens that page. It just doesn't show up on the side here. Okay, so this video shows you how you can create a new page, create a new folder in Google Drive. When you create a new folder on Google Drive to be used on your website, make sure you right-click to change the sharing setting to anyone with the link can view. Okay, other than that, you have all the tips and steps to make a new web page. Thank you for listening.